Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. Let's start with US market. Yesterday Dow Jones closed at 542 points loss. That's a very bad session for the US market. On the other hand, Nasdaq lost by around 454 points. Another bad news, another bad session for the IT sector. Now S&P 500 lost by 100 points plus. So that fall majorly led by the Trump tariff saga, Amazon results plus some soft payroll out. So that's a very bad session for the US market on Friday. Today the Dow futures is trading at 60 to 70 points positive. So that's a okay news for the US market and for the global market. Let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday on Friday, FII sold about 3,364.4 crores. DII bought around 3,187 crores. Now, if you look at FII net short data in Indian market, this is the highest in the history that FII are at this level of short, holding this level of short in the market. This has been the highest in the whole history. So definitely we have to watch out for levels above certain levels. Definitely we may see a huge short covering. Now, despite of bad session in US market, the XTX Nifty stand resilient and showing a gap up opening of 100 points. But maybe we can settle down around 50 to 60 points. On the other hand, Nifty closed around 24,565. Major support lies at 24,450 to 24,500. This 50 points holds a very strong short-term support. Resistance stands at 24,900 to 25,000. Important resistance for the Nifty. Now, if I talk about Bank-nifty closed at 55,617. Important support lies at 55,500 to 55,000. Important resistance lies at 56,000 on Bank-nifty. So some important stocks news. The ITC yesterday, ITC on after closing market, ITC came out with the results. Q1 PAT rise by 3% to 5,244 crores. Revenue jumped by 19% to 23,129 from 19,350. So 19,350 was their previous revenue. It jumped 19% to 23,129. So that's a good news for the IT sector. In overall, if you look at FMCG sector, I was very bullish in FMCG. Despite of Friday fall, FMCG stand to manage tall and held his head high. So definitely FMCG, there was long build up in stock specific like HUL, ITC, all the stocks, Britannia, all the stocks were doing very fantastic, even in this major fall. Another stock specific results, delivery. Profit up by 67% to 91 crores versus 54 crores. Revenue up by 6% to 2,294 crores versus 2,127 crores. So last year it was 2,127 crores. This time it came 2,294 CR. Another stock specific news, Tata Power. Tata Power came up with results. PAT rise by 9% to 1,060 crores. Revenue up by 4% to 18,035 crores. Last time it was 17,294 crores. This time there is a jump in 4%, 18,035 crores. I will say it's just an okay results. Nothing to be very fantastic results. Now another very important stocks which was famous amongst investor, which is Federal Bank. Federal Bank came out with results after market. Net profit fell by 14.6% to 861.75 crores. So the very disappointment results from Federal Bank. You have to watch out how market will react. Now, talking about Indian economy news, all eyes are on August 6th. The RBI chairman, he will give the monetary policy report, and major experts are expecting no rate change. But looking at the overall and global economy, we may see, I am expecting a 25 basis rate cut. Repo rate stands at 5.5%. After a 25 basis rate cut, it will come to 5.25%. but we'll see what will be the situation. Today is 4th of August, right? Today is 4th of August, and after 2 days there will be a monetary policy, so we have to watch out very, very closely, which is on Wednesday. So I have given you all the news, stock specific, Nifty, Bank-nifty, index specific, and Indian economy news, and all these news I have given you. Mark those level on the chart, trade with stop loss, reduce your leverage, and I hope you have a profitable day today. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.